Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today we're bringing you along for the completion of a successful installation project in beautiful East Stroudsburg. At Comm Systems, we believe that structured cabling, internet connectivity, smart home integration, and remote security access are more than just technical services. They are about giving customers peace of mind, reliability, and confidence that their homes and businesses are protected no matter where they are in the world. This project started as a standard networking and remote viewing setup, but as always, Comm Systems believes in doing more than what is written on paper. We completed and tested the customer's internet connection to make certain everything was operating properly and efficiently. Stable internet service is the backbone of modern security and smart home technology. Without a reliable network, remote cameras, smart thermostats, and monitoring systems cannot function correctly. After confirming the network was stable, we enabled remote viewing access for the customer's security camera system. This allows the customer to safely and securely monitor her property directly from her smartphone while traveling. Whether she is across town or relaxing on the beautiful beaches of Jamaica, attending a wedding, and vacationing with family, she can now check her cameras in real time and know her home is secure. That level of comfort and security is exactly what Comm Systems aims to provide. In addition to the security system work, we also reset and reconfigured the customer's smart thermostat onto the new Wi-Fi network. Many people underestimate how important this small step can be. A properly connected smart thermostat allows homeowners to remotely control heating and cooling temperatures directly from their phones or tablets. If temperatures suddenly drop, the homeowner can raise the heat remotely to protect plumbing pipes from freezing. If energy costs become a concern, temperatures can be adjusted instantly while away from home. Convenience, energy savings, and protection all work together through properly installed smart technology. One thing that separates Comm Systems from many companies is our commitment to customer relationships. Although it was not included in the original scope of work, we also replaced the customer's front door light fixtures. Why? Because this customer is one of Comm Systems' very first customers, and we appreciate the trust and loyalty she has shown us throughout the years. In today's world, many companies only focus on completing the minimum required work. At Comm Systems, we believe real customer service means taking the extra step whenever possible. Sometimes the little things leave the biggest impression. People often ask why we work weekends or travel long distances for installations. The answer is simple: our customers matter. If enabling a remote viewing system on a Saturday gives a customer peace of mind while they are away, then the trip is worth it. If staying overnight ensures the installation is completed correctly instead of rushing through the project, then that extra effort matters. Quality work takes commitment. Remote viewing systems have become one of the most valuable technologies for homeowners today. Modern systems allow customers to monitor deliveries, check on elderly family members, watch over vacation homes, verify alarm activity, view live video from anywhere in the world, receive motion notifications instantly, protect against theft and vandalism. Combined with reliable internet infrastructure and properly configured smart devices, these systems provide homeowners with security, convenience, and peace of mind. And of course, after a long day of installation work, troubleshooting, programming, and customer support, there's nothing wrong with enjoying one of the hidden gems of the area. One personal benefit of staying overnight in the Poconos is getting another chance to visit Compton's Pancake House for breakfast. Great food after a successful installation always makes the trip even better. Projects like this remind us why customer service still matters. At Comm Systems, we do not just install cables and equipment, we build long-term relationships based on trust, reliability, professionalism, and appreciation for our customers. Thank you for following along with the completion of installation in East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more real-world installations, smart home integrations, security camera projects, structured cabling systems, and behind-the-scenes technology work, please like, share, and subscribe to the Comm Systems channel. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.